appreciating what you have. Kung ano yung bagay na meron ka or tao or experience na meron ka, opportunity, lesson, education, kung ano yung meron ka, just have to appreciate it. Kasi
You were inspired by the classic YouTubers all over the world. What is the biggest problem that you encounter as a content creator and how did you overcome it?
siguro yung naging biggest problem ko as content creator is siguro yung grabe na yung wait lang. Sobrang daming ideas. Ayun, kasi if content creator ka, kapag sobrang dami mong ideas, hindi mo na alam kung ano unahin mo. So, dumating sa point na, anong unahin ko, anong gagawin ko na. So, end up, hindi ko nagagawa. Minsan, kulang yung ginagawa ko kasi mas iniisip ko pa yung future. So, parang na-realize ko na lately na I have to focus kung ano yung nasa harapan ko muna. Tapos kapag tapos nun, it's like a step by step. So, parang 1% every day, di ba? So, yun yung na-realize ko lately na you have to focus muna sa nasa harapan mo before you step out.
How long are you in the industry?
2 years, brother. 2 years.
So for 2 years, what was the biggest lesson that you have that you can still apply in today's time?
Biggest lesson na sasabihin ko, self-realization siya. So, kahit hindi ka content creator, kahit anong industry mo ngayon, feel ko ma-apply mo siya ngayon. For me, appreciating what you have. So, it's like, kung ano yung bagay na meron ka or tao or experience na meron ka, opportunity, lesson, education, kung ano yung meron ka, just have to appreciate it. Kasi, uh, kahit anong pang magkaroon ka na bagay, kahit sobrang mahal pa na bagay na yan, or kahit super kilalang thing yan, wala yan. Kasi kung hindi mo siya ma-appreciate, kung ano yung mga small things na meron ka, hindi mo ma-appreciate lalo yung mga mas malalaki pa. So I think appreciation is the key. Yun talaga yung biggest realization ko. And syempre kapag hindi mo na-appreciate yung bagay, most likely parang hindi ka masaya sa buhay. So para maging masaya ka sa buhay, appreciate what you have.
So you need to be grateful and you need to appreciate little things that you have in life to be able to be happy.